If you're thinking of moving to Troy, Michigan, then you've come to the right place, as today we're going to be covering the good, the bad, and the ugly of living in Troy, Michigan. What's up? My name is Ahmed Zamzam. I'm a local realtor based out of Bloomfield, Michigan, and I help people achieve their home buying and selling goals using modern strategies. So if you like how buying or selling a home in the state of Michigan, don't hesitate to reach out. All my contact information will be down below in the description. Starting off with the pros, we have the location. Troy is located approximately 30 minutes away from Detroit using I-75 South. This makes it convenient if you occasionally visit downtown Detroit. Troy also offers a lot of shopping and dining options, including Somerset Mall, which is a very popular shopping destination not only for the residents of Troy, but for the entire Metro Detroit area. It features 180 stores for you to shop at, ranging from all sorts of price ranges, and they have plenty of restaurants as well, such as P.F. Chang's, J. Alexander's, California Pizza Kitchen, and a lot more, so you're never hungry. And while Somerset Mall is great and everything, you obviously need the money to shop there. So moving on is the strong economy. Troy features several major employers such as Alter Engineering, Delphi Automotive, and Kelly Services, which is an employment agency. And if you work outside the city of Troy, rest assured that its location is once again convenient, with cities such as Ann Arbor being an hour away using M14 West, Novi being 35 minutes away using I-696 West, and Rochester Hills being 10 minutes away using M150 North. Also, the median household income in the city of Troy is $107,550, which is almost $40,000 more than the national average. Moving on is the excellent schools. Troy's school district is consistently ranked among one of the best in the state with an overall A rating on niche.com. The Avondale School District also ranks an overall B rating on niche.com. The city also has plenty of nearby private schools to choose from. Also, the city itself currently has the #1 spot for the best place to live in the Metro Detroit area. So you can rest assured that your loved ones will get a great education in the city of Troy. And finally, we have the diverse community. Troy has a population of 86,900 people, and it has an A rating for diversity. The city has an equal amount of residents in all age ranges and different cultures in the city. Majority of the residents own their home as well. Overall, the city has a score of 89 out of 100 in terms of diversity, making it more diverse than other U.S. cities. Now, moving on, let's cover the cons of the city, starting off with the high cost of living. As of May 2023, the median home price was $435,000. This resulted in the median sale price per square foot coming out to $212, which is up 1% from last year. And although I did mention this earlier, I will once again state that the majority of the city, like approximately 75%, do own their home, while the other 25% rent their home. Now, next up is the traffic. As amazing as Troy is, I have to admit the traffic sucks, especially during rush hour. This is due to their proximity to major freeways, causing everyone to basically take Big Beaver Road, and that leads to a lot of traffic. But luckily, once you're on the highway, then you're unlikely to have any more delays. And if you're going to continue down Big Beaver Road, well, good luck. Also, due to Somerset Mall being located in Troy and having it be one of the biggest and most popular malls in Metro Detroit, over the weekend there could also be congestion on Big Beaver Road and during rush hour. Now, the final con is a Michigan standard, the challenging weather. There's really no other way to say this other than that Michigan is actually very bipolar when it comes to weather. And by that I mean that one day it could be nice and sunny, and the next day it's actually literally snowing. So if you plan on moving to Michigan, just know that the winters are harsh with significant snowfall, and the summers can be hot and humid, which, if you're like me, I hate when it's humid, like absolutely hate it. But anyway, this goes for basically the entire state, so don't just judge the city of Troy based on the weather. Just keep that in mind that it goes for the entire state, regardless of whether you choose Troy, Farmington Hills, Rochester Hills, or even West Bloomfield. The weather in Michigan is really bad. Now, that just about wraps things up. And ultimately, whether you decide to move to Troy or to another city really comes down to personal preference and priorities, which will help you better determine if this is the right city for you. And if you're still unsure, then don't hesitate to shoot me a text or give me a call at my number, which is down below in the description. And I'd be more than happy to help you choose the right city for you by discussing what your plans are and what you're ultimately looking for. So with that being said, I will see you guys later.